Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can create the matrix or the grids you can say of different rows and columns. For example, we can have the matrix of 1 by 1, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 3 or 3 by 2 and so forth and so on. Forth and so on. So in this example we are going to create a matrix of 1 by 3 that will have one row and three columns, so you need to adjust the height and width accordingly. As you can see that width has been set at 3000 pixel and the height has been set into 1000 pixels, so our each square or the box will have the dimensions of 1000 by 1000 pixel. Okay, so first of all you need to enable the ruler by pressing the Ctrl R and just drag something like this, so it will create a guide over here. Holding the Alt key, drag it and press Ctrl D, so it will create multiple guides, right? Select the extreme left guide and click on the horizontal align left, and for the extreme right guide click on the horizontal align right. Now you can see that we have got three columns and a single row, but these are not of uniform spacing. So for this purpose, select all the guides, go to window, align and click on the distributed spacing, horizontal distributed space. Now our each square box is of uniform dimension, that is 1000 by 1000 pixel. This one is also 1000 by 1000 and this one is also 1000 by 1000. So for the important is that when we need to create a collage or something, we have to make sure that our images or our design elements are perfectly inside that particular square shape. For the same purpose, you can, if you need to draw a matrix of 2 by 3, you can increase the height to 2000, right? And now you have to split it at the center. So for that purpose, create another guide from the top, select this guide and click on vertical align center. So it has distributed the slices into 6 equal parts and created a matrix or grid of 2 by 3. Now you can place your images or design elements. So if your image is of perfectly square shape, it will perfectly align in the middle. Same goes for that and same goes for that. Okay, so when you save it, it will create a combined image. What if we need to create a slices, like we want each of this image as a separate slice? So for that we need to do something different. Just create a matrix of 500 by 500. For example, we need to have the slices of 3 by 3. We need each square box of the image as a separate image. So create 9 artboards. Select the artboard from here and create 9 artboards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have created 9 artboards, right? Artboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Go to window, artboard, click on rearrange artboards, just select the spacing of 1 pixel, 3 columns and press OK. So it has created a grid of 3 by 3, and now if you place the image over it, let's suppose I'm putting it at the center. Right, now it has covered all the artboards, and when now I will create the JPG images, saving on the desktop, creating a new folder, let's say car. You click on the use artboards, select range and export. Now if you see that it has created grids of individual images, and these grids are always required, sometimes required for posting the content on the Instagram. So it is very much useful, and you can create the Instagram or different social media platform grids like this. So I hope this will